Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your Poco and heading straight into settings, no detours. Once inside, use the search bar and type digital well-being or screen time to jump to the feature. If you don't see it, make sure the Play Store app is updated and install Google Digital Wellbeing. This gives you the standardized screen time view. Once done, tap the digital well-being entry to open the dashboard, which is where you'll get detailed usage statistics and controls. You now see a dashboard with today and 7-day summaries. Use these to compare patterns. Tap any app on the list to drill down into minutes used and how many times you opened it, which explains where most time goes. To act, choose Set Timer for an app and pick a daily limit. This blocks the app when the limit is reached. Also explore bedtime or wind down to reduce notifications and screen brightness during chosen hours so behavior changes stick. Finally, lock in changes by enabling focus mode or bedtime so limits are enforced automatically. Make sure you save timer settings and confirm any permissions the app requests. You can export or screenshot the graphs for weekly review and consider pairing limits with notification rules for better effect. If your Poco isn't reporting time, clear the digital well-being cache, update system apps, and reboot the phone. These steps solve most sync or permission hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.